We finally shoveled out a little bit with the help of snow blowers and shovels, but you can see how tall these drifts are. I'm a little over 6 feet and they're above my head. These are the piles that we had to get out. We still have some cars to dig out to do here, but we got the driveway cleared and there's people snow blowing to get through. And then we'll have to dig out the rest of these cars. Quite the storm. This is the day after. Temperature right now -6 Fahrenheit, but fairly warm because of no wind. And here's our neighbors trying to get free here. We've seen a little bit of traffic. They did plow through here once, but these snow drifts or snow piles. Actually, the street would be right about here. So halfway across here is snow that's on the street. Same over on the other side there. But quite the storm here in Bismarck, North Dakota. And this snow is here in December. It's going to be here for a while before it all goes away.